Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:15 a.m. At 7:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroe, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Dang.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. The damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Monroe, Brodhead, Orchardville, Footville, Newark, Browntown, Hanover, Afton, Judah, and Avon. People attending Rock County 4-H Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has...
He's literally in the middle of programming. That's because you saw in my last video it didn't activate. I think I had the same codes programmed wrong. But, yeah. Anyway. Well, it's working now, so.